Ever wonder how much you can really make freelancing on Toptal? Let's dive in. Toptal's earning potential is undeniably attractive, but here's the truth: your income is super flexible, depending on what skills you have, how much experience you bring to the table, and the types of projects you decide to tackle. The more specialized your skills and the more experience you have, the potential to make more money increases. You can see it by looking at the platform. Take a peek at this example on Toptal. Projects come in all shapes and sizes. You could be working on small tasks or whole projects. Each one will have a different value, which means different pay. The project description often gives you a sense of the budget and what those budgets look like. Project pay can vary. Some projects might range from a few $100s to tens of thousands depending on the complexity and length. Now, how much do you actually get paid? After you finish a project and Toptal has received payment from the client, you get a significant cut. Freelancers retain the majority of the agreed-upon project fee. That means you're keeping a substantial chunk of what you earn. So, the earnings on Toptal, they really can vary, but because you're keeping the majority of your earnings, Toptal can be an amazing way to work. Before you go, check out Toptal and get your profile set up now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. #freelance earnings, #remote income.